In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a downloadable PDF file to Beacon's AI course. Now, the first thing you have to do from your dashboard when you are signed into your account, you want to go to the left-hand panel here and you want to click on Digital Products. Now, from here, you want to select the course where you want to add your PDF files to download. So I'm going to go to this Untitled Awesome course, which I created over here. I'm going to click on it. Then you want to click on Edit Product Details over here in the top right. And when you do so, you want to go to this tab, which is the second one called Course Setup. In here, of course, you want to find the lesson or whatever where you want to add the downloadable PDF file. I'm just going to go in this lesson one over here, and you want to click on that specific lesson. And then from here, when you're inside the lesson, you can see it says Content on the right under Edit Lesson. Click on Content, and then from here, you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and here it says Downloadable Files Optional. So you want to click on this Upload button over here. You want to find your PDF document. I'm just going to use this one over here, and you want to click on Open. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to save in here, and over here under Downloads, there's now our PDF document or PDF file, which we put in here into this lesson, and people are going to be able to actually use this, okay? Of course, then you can go to Next and save everything, and yeah, that's essentially how you do this. That's how to add downloadable PDF files. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.